Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies incredibly gooey. To start, ensure your butter is softened, not melted, which creates a tender crumb. Next, use a higher ratio of brown sugar to white sugar. For example, 1 cup of brown sugar to 1/2 cup of white sugar adds essential moisture. Finally, incorporate 1 extra egg yolk into your dough for an unparalleled richness and chewiness that truly elevates the gooey factor. Once your ingredients are combined, mix the dry into the wet until just incorporated. Overmixing can develop too much gluten, resulting in a tougher cookie, which we want to avoid for gooiness. The most crucial step is chilling your dough for a minimum of 24 hours or even up to 72 hours. This allows the flour to fully hydrate and the flavors to deepen, preventing excessive spreading during baking. When it's time to bake, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your dough balls 2 inches apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, but watch carefully. You want the edges to be lightly golden and set, while the centers still look slightly underbaked and soft. This slight underbaking is key, as the residual heat from the pan will finish cooking them to perfection. As soon as your cookies come out of the oven, sprinkle a tiny pinch of flaky sea salt over them. This enhances the chocolate flavor beautifully. Resist the urge to move them immediately. Let them cool on the hot baking sheet for about 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the centers to set just enough to hold their shape while retaining that irresistible, melt-in-your-mouth gooey texture we've been aiming for. Enjoy your perfect cookies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.